This is Margret. Margret has a hearing loss. She wears a pair of hearing aids. Margret's hearing aid is notifying her that there is a need to change the battery. Looks like Margret is having a hard time removing the battery. Okay, now take out a new one. Now Margret, all we need to do is to place this battery into its compartment. Careful. Are you also struggling with batteries? We have a simple solution for you. Let's go for rechargeable hearing aids. Not only is Margret able to enjoy great sound quality, she can also enjoy the ultimate convenience of not having to change batteries ever again. Margret meets with her audiologist to explore more options. Just look at how easy it is. No more carrying batteries around, no more fumbling, no more frustrations. You know what they say, once rechargeable, no more batteries to fumble. Another happy customer. Thank you, Signia.